I'm meeting with Team Trudell to answer some of your biggest questions about mortgages. Let's be honest, buyers are freaking out about interest rates, but the 2-to-1 buy-down program could be a way for them to alleviate their concerns and save some money. Amy, can you tell us how it works?
Yeah, so the 2-to-1 buy-down program is a great program for, buyers that are looking to get into a home, but they're looking to get it at a lower interest rate.
Yeah.
So for the first 2 years, they are able to get a lower interest rate by using a seller concession. So the seller concession actually goes towards the 2 years of savings.
So the sellers are paying for the buyer to have a lower interest rate.
Just got it. So how it works, just to give you an example, say, today's rate is 6.2. For that first year, your rate would be 4.2. And whatever that monthly savings is, which would be about $650 a month.
$650 a month?
Yeah, $650 a month. The seller would then give that money up front to buy that down. So overall, if you're looking at a 2-1 buy down, you could save up to, say, $12,000 in that first 2 years using a seller concession.
This approximately $650 a month savings, what average home price would that be that you're seeing that kind of savings?
That's about a $600,000 home price, using about 10% down and just with today's rates.
So in the first year, instead of being 6.2%, you'd have a 4.2% interest rate. Second year, you'd have a 5.2% interest rate.
Yep.
And then what happens?
And then from there, you would actually go back up to the original rate, which would be 6.2. But at any time in that 2 years, you can still refinance. So say interest rates do drop during that time frame, you can refinance no problem. What happens is the monthly savings that you got from that seller concession goes in a separate account, and you actually get that back towards your payoff amount. So it's just like your own money, essentially.
That's excellent.
Yeah.
So buyers, keep this in mind. As you're writing an offer, think about adding the 2-to-1 buy down program with the seller closing concession into your offer. That way you can take advantage of a lower interest rate at the seller's expense.
Yes, it's huge. And it's a great way, for your agent to work with your lender and figure out if it's a good opportunity to do so. If a house is sitting on a market for a couple of days, you might have a shot at this. If it's, a house where there's a lot of offers going in, it might not be the best opportunity, but that's for your agent and your lender to kind of work together on that.
Excellent. So call Team Trudell and they'll help you figure out the numbers.